Coming up on crash site 0. Ranger, will you just move? Go. Good boy. All right, let's go. Coming up on crash point 0. I'm on my bike right now. My mom's gonna be so mad at me for this. This is how I crapped my phone last time, but it won't happen again. Coming up on it. Now, I haven't actually seen this yet, so I don't know how it's gonna look, but let's just walk through this. I don't want to bike through this, so.
Do you see the car came across?
Let's just stop right here and take a look. So far, he was due to a seizure while driving. So far, nothing really that bad. And holy crap! Wait, what? Is this legit up here? Wait. Holy crap! That's crazy! Alright, wait. So we got some, just some tire marks here. Some oil, I think. No, that's blood. No, I don't think that's... Alright, so I'm not really sure anything because this! Holy crap, look at this! Oh my god! And then we got some more tire marks around here. An old cool car. And then my friend's car is up here, but his car got smashed a bit. Not really, it's just a bumper. Seriously. It's crazy. Holy crap, mate.